This is Class 9, Unit 2 poem A Poison Tree by William Blake. A poison tree is a poem about the damaging consequences of harboring anger and resentment. Here, the poet, the speaker, contrasts two types of anger. Okay, shall we go on to the poem? A poison tree. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath. My wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not. My wrath did grow. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. And I sunned it with smiles and with soft, deceitful wiles. Okay, let us see the explanation of stanza 1 and 2. Stanza 1 opens with how the person was angry with his friend. He told his friend about his anger, and the anger then disappeared. The person then goes on to describe a scene when he was angry with his enemy. He did not tell his enemy that he was angry. Thus, his anger kept on growing. Then in stanza 2, the person talks more on how his anger grows. He comparing his growing anger to a growing plant when he waters the plant with his fears and tears. However, he did not give it real sunshine. He merely gave smiles and deceitful wiles. A wile is a cunning trick. Here, it suggests that he may be planning some sort of a devious scheme for his enemy. Okay, let us read the stanza 3rd and 4th. And it grew both day and night, till it bore an apple bright. And my foe beheld it shine, and he knew that it was mine. And into my garden stole, when the night had wheeled the pole. In the morning, glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. In stanza 3, speaker describes how the person's efforts eventually bore fruit. The fruit is the apple bright. The enemy clearly recognizes that the fruit belongs to the speaker. In stanza 4, reveals that the enemy had seen the apple and stole it. The enemy had stolen the apple during the night. Thus, the star was not visible to guide the enemy out of the danger. The enemy eats the apple and most probably he dies. Let us see the theme of a poem. The theme of a poison tree is not anger itself, but how the suppression of anger leads to the cultivation of anger. Burying anger rather than exposing it and acknowledging it. According to, a poison tree turns anger into a seed that will germinate. From this poem, we learn bottling up ill feelings is bad for us and those around us. Thank you. Pick out the rhyming words and rhyme scheme.